Do you want to make money on your own terms, no matter where you are in the world? Look no further. In this exciting video, I'll reveal a free app that can help you earn up to $120 per hour from the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to traditional 9-to-5 jobs and hello to financial freedom. This app has already transformed the lives of thousands of individuals, and now it's your turn. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Watch the video now and start earning today. Before we jump in, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. I am always sharing amazing and effective methods to make money online, and you can do this from anywhere around the globe, and it would be great if you commented down below from which country you are watching this video, so I can create specific videos for your region. Now, let's get started. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for additional income, this app is your golden ticket to financial freedom. It is called Askable.com. Askable is one of the fastest-growing testing participant recruitment platforms. Imagine having the flexibility to work on your terms, earning an impressive income without any limitations. Askable has helped thousands of individuals like you discover the joy of making money effortlessly, allowing them to live life on their own terms. You may make a significant amount of money just by giving your opinion, and there are opportunities available in almost every country in the globe. The sessions are varied. Sometimes you'll be providing feedback on a brand new product, and other times you'll be testing a new website. The majority are available online, which means that you can do them while relaxing in the convenience of your own home or from anywhere. Typically, jobs range from $30 to $50 for online sessions, and up to $120 for in-person sessions. You'll have the option to get paid via PayPal or receive a gift card of your choice. Don't wait any longer. Sign up to Askable today and take control of your financial future. Start earning up to $120 per hour from the comfort of your own home or while traveling. Say hello to a life of freedom and abundance. In the end, thanks for watching the entire video. If you liked it and found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with others. Your support matters. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this.